Spider-Man, you bitch. You bitch, Spider-Man. Dude, it honestly reminds me of the scene in Spider-Man 1 when the Goblin had to make Spider-Man choose. Spider-Man's eyes started drifting down towards what he thought was the glider with all those blades, and then he realized that wasn't the only blade that the Goblin had prepared for him. He was like, "Goblin, what is that?" And the Goblin said, "Yes, I can't lie, I've painted my Schween green. So grab your destiny, Pete, if you know what I mean. Wait a minute, Peter, don't leave this bridge. Every hero has to choose. It's your chance to gobble goblin that you're about to lose." I mean, never mind. The truth of the matter is that I have just realized they absolutely have to let Green Goblin in just simply because there is Spider-Man. If the Virgin Spider-Man got in, then Goblin has to get in. Because he, in fact, is a sex haver. Because in every universe, he has a Harry. That is confirmed that the Goblin fucks. And you know what else? You know what else? Spider-Man lives with an absolute baddie. Dude, he was with that baddie called May. And he didn't even smash her once, man. It is an absolute sin. The Virgin Spider-Man versus the Chad Goblin. And you know what else? You know what else? I saw at the Thanksgiving dinner when Norman was looking at that with his lusty expression. He had the knife in hands. Dude, he was gonna hit that too.